Good morning, teachers.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. Have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Sir, my name is Akash Tripathi. I'm currently pursuing graduation from Ishwar Degree College, Constituent College of University of Allahabad. I'm in BSc third year, and my subject combination are mathematics and computer science.
Very good. तो आप कंप्यूटर साइंस में कौन सी लैंग्वेज को परसू करते हैं?
Sir, currently in this session, Java, and previously we have learned C also.
तो इस सेशन में कुछ थोड़ी सी बातें जावा के ऊपर हो जाए. मुझे बताइए कि आप JVM से क्या समझते हैं?
Sir, JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It's act as a runtime function which calls the main method present in Java code.
तो JDK और JRE क्या है?
JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It contains developing tools, debugging tools, and some other tools, including compiler as well. It comes with installer, and it is a platform dependent and superset of JRE. And JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. It contains libraries and some other supporting files. It only have environment to execute source code, and it is subset of JDK and also platform dependent.
तो JDK के बगैर क्या जावा को रन कराया जा सकता है?
Yes, sir, we can run our codes without JDK through JRE, installing individually. We can individually install JRE without installing JDK.
Okay, fine. What is constructor?
Constructor is a special type of method which has the same name as the name of class. It is used to initialize objects when created, because if we don't initialize any object, it will show some error. For example, in real world, if we have a box and it do not have any length, breadth and height, it can't be exist in real world. Implementing this in Java, if we have any object without its values, it shows some error. So we need a constructor to initialize the value of objects.
अच्छा, तो ये जो कंस्ट्रक्टर आपने बताया ये कितने टाइप्स के हो सकते हैं?
In Java, we have three type of constructor: parameterized constructor, non-parameterized, and default constructor.
इनके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Parameterized constructor are those constructor which have parameters, one or more parameter in it. Non-parameterized constructor do not have any parameter in it, and default constructors are those constructor which are called by compiler itself when we do not create any compiler.
क्या कंस्ट्रक्टर हमें कोई वैल्यू रिटर्न करते हैं प्रोग्राम में?
No, constructor cannot return any value. It do not have return type.
अच्छा, अब आप ये बताइए why is the main method is static?
Main method is static because we do not need any object to call a static method, and if our main method is non-static, JVM first need to create object, then call the main method, which needs to extra memory allocation, as firstly we call main method in every program.
तो क्या हम जावा के कोई प्रोग्राम को बिना मेन मेथड के भी एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हैं?
Sir, it was possible before JDK 1.7, but after 1.7 it is not possible, and it was possible through using static block,
Okay.
which initialize the variables.
अच्छा, तो क्या जो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट मेथड है उसको हम स्टैटिक बना सकते हैं?
If we declare abstract method as static, it will become a part of class, and we can call it using class name, which is unnecessary because calling undefined methods is useless, so it is not allowed.
Okay. Akash, tell me something about encapsulation.
Encapsulation means wrapping up of codes and data members into a single unit. In encapsulation, a class variable is hidden from other classes, and it can be only accessed by the methods of the class in which those variables are declared. For example, in real world, if we have a capsule, it have different type of ingredients packed up in a capsule. So user cannot guess what are the ingredients in it. So it is hidden and secured, capsuled in it.
abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism विदाउट इनकैप्सुलेशन के संभव है?
No, sir, it is not possible because to perform anything, we need to first wrap up the codes, bound it to know from where to where it is used. So, performing any polymorphism, in abstraction, everything, we need to first encapsulate them in a bounding box.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.